Hello. In this video, we will build a cross-sell model using a large banking data warehouse residing on Amazon's Redshift Serverless. The business problem we are helping to solve is low conversion rates when promoting our bank's credit card to their existing customers. A cross-sell model will point us to hot leads, which will convert at much higher rate than banks' past campaigns. This is our data and it's messy. Here we have call outcomes from the last cross-sell campaign. More about that in a moment. We also have lots of data that may contain hidden signals and correlations with the conversion rates, such as payments to utility companies, millions of detailed transaction records from several years, online shopping data from banks' partner program, monthly summaries, mobile top-ups, loyalty program, loans and customer demographics. Lastly, we have credit card and PayPal transactions and banks' web app data. All of these tables need to be integrated into one cohesive dataset before it can be processed by machine learning. When you hear that data preparation takes the most time and effort in data science projects, this is what we're talking about. It's weeks or often months of manually designing data transformation pipelines, not really knowing how good the model will turn out at the end of this journey. Xpanse AI replaces all this manual work with automated processing. Let's see how this works. We bring this data to our project and before we kick it off, we need to decide what call outcomes from the previous campaign should be considered as success. The call outcome of agreed and details collected on the call is the best possible outcome we could get. We definitely need more calls like that in the next campaign. On the other side, customers who are interested but did not meet the risk criteria are an example of profiles we should not target in the future. These choices are sometimes arbitrary but are also critical to align the model as close to business objective as possible. Customers who expressed no interest in credit card are clearly not the profile we want to target in the future. If there was no answer to the call, we might decide to exclude those profiles from the analysis since we do not know anything about the potential call outcome. And so on, we make our choices. There is no problem with going back to this step later on, amending the choices and redoing the analysis. Now we will ramp up the parameters of the project to squeeze out as much correlation from the data as possible. Now the project is good to go. Xpanse AI investigates the data and creates necessary data transformations while integrating multiple source tables into a machine learning-friendly dataset. With maxed out project settings, Xpanse algorithms combined with the power of Cloud Data Warehouse tested over 30,000 potential correlations, practically leaving no stone unturned. Only a limited number of high-quality correlations were accepted to the training dataset, allowing speedy model training without compromising on model accuracy. Instead of following analytical hunches for weeks, we have unbiased, efficient, and extremely comprehensive analysis within less than an hour. We can review the uncovered trends and correlations, which gives us insight into factors linked to customers signing up for credit cards. These charts may also highlight potential issues with the data or with the way we defined the objective for machine learning. Next, we can look at the predictive power of this model. The uplift chart is telling us that if we sort our existing customers by their propensity to accept the offer and target the top 20% of them, our conversion rates should be 3.5 times better than random calls. If we decide to be more focused, targeting the top 10% should result in 4.4 times better conversions compared to random calls. And this is exactly what business needs, a targeted offer for customers who will welcome it. If you are happy with this model, you can one-click deploy it to production and set the scheduler to run it automatically when needed. If you want to see how the final outputs of the deployed machine learning model look like, we can pick a group of customers and score them at any time. The scoring pipeline is reaching to the source data warehouse, getting data ready for the deployed machine learning model. Then the model assigns propensity scores based on the patterns and correlations discovered during the training process. The column with the score represents the propensity of each customer to sign up for a credit card if contacted. This is what machine learning outputs boil down to. You can easily sort that list and focus on the most promising leads. These scores may also feed into your CRM system or fuel additional analysis. To sum up, we tapped to the source data warehouse with hundreds of millions of records. Then we decided on the profiles we want to target, and after that, Xpanse AI, together with Amazon's Redshift, executed an extremely deep search for correlations, plus delivered and deployed a highly performing predictive model, all in less than an hour. If you are interested in harnessing the value from your data with fast and cutting-edge predictive analytics, contact us at info@xpanse.ai. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.